Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I got this special drink. It's the Pimms drink. No. Pimms. Focus on the M, double M. Not like 50 Cent with the P-I-M-P, none of that, you guys. I don't even know what kind of cup they're holding, but I'm holding this right here. This fruity deliciousness, you guys. If you want to try it and you want to make it for yourself, stay tuned for the video, right? Why am I even talking to you guys? You're not even pimp enough to watch this drink and create it. Nah, you guys, I'm just kidding, all right? So if you guys want to stay tuned and enjoy this drink and try it out for yourself and create it at home, become a real pimp, make sure you stay tuned. So get both of your shakers, put them over here, get 3 pieces of lemon, boom. Then you're gonna follow it up with 3 pieces of cucumber, you guys. I already pre-cut my stuff, so you can do the same, whatever you want to do. And then 3 pieces of strawberries, you know? Boom, just throw it right in there. Maybe I'll add a 4th one. I love strawberries. Again, you guys, if you're allergic to any of this, you might want to substitute it with something else. Do your own research, their own thing. I already did mine. You might want to ferment this. I ferment my things for about 10 to 15 minutes, put it in the fridge with all these ingredients over here. So we're going to start with Pimm's recipe, Mr. Pimms. So it's going to be 2 ounces of this. The thing about this, you guys, even to this day, it's still a mystery. Just like the Mona Lisa's face. You don't know if she's about to smile or about to frown. Follow it up by 1/4 ounce of ginger syrup, you guys. You can just use ginger soda or beer or whatever later, but nah, I'm just gonna add the ginger syrup itself. Follow it up by another 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. I didn't smell that liquor, but smell that instead. So about 1/4 ounce, boom, throw it right in there. Next thing you're gonna do, you guys, let's get your lemon, boom. Get this. And another fun fact about this, you guys, is this guy built this cocktail back in about 1950. Really got popular back in 1959. And now it's around the world everywhere. And I just barely heard about it not so long ago in a post. They were like, hey, check out this drink. And I was like, ooh, it looks delicious. And the thing about it is that this guy himself, Mr. Pimms, he was like, how can I attract people to my little shop? You know, he was a fishmonger, sell different types of seafood, and he wanted people to show up to his oyster bar. What better way than be like, hey, look at this delicious drink. I mean, even this day, you attract people that way, you know? Maybe samples or something like that. Next thing you're gonna do is add your ice. Mix it up a little bit. Throw another piece in there. And now, sparkling lemonade. All the way to the top. All right, guys. Sometimes I just mix it with the straw. Sometimes I just throw it back in my shaker. It depends what you want to do. Nothing too crazy, but I just want everything to blend in. So I'm gonna do it quick. In there, mix it up a little bit, and just throw everything right back in there. And it gives the drink a way better look, you know? Might want to throw another strawberry or something in there just to give it a little more show. Boom. Get your get your straw back in there. Starts the same way, you guys. Don't judge me. I'm not that tipsy, you guys. So follow up with your next garnishes. Maybe some rosemary, you know. It smells so delicious. I think I want to make a steak after that. I sip on this drink. Then gonna follow it up, guys, by some mint. Slap it around, tease that mint, you know. Oh my God, dude, so clean. Might want to chew on this afterwards too, you know. Clean your breath. Who knows what kind of cop's gonna stop you around? Why the hell are you driving if you've been drinking? But all right, then we're gonna pull the strawberry back here. The thing about this drink is that it's known for having a whole bunch of different fruits, different garnishes, a whole bunch of stuff. The guy, I don't know, man, he just wanted attention. He wanted to sell his fish. He didn't want it to go bad. I think even Mr. Krabs was probably jealous of this guy, you know? Now we're gonna put a little lemon garnish on the side. There's the drink. Now the best thing of all, let's sip on it. You guys, ooh, delicious. You can definitely taste everything. Even though I just barely put the rosemary in there, you can get hints of that, the hints of the mint, the strawberry, the lemon, everything, even the ginger, just a little bit, but everything, guys, you gotta try it yourself. It's perfectly infused. All right, guys, remember, it's Alejandro from Alejandro The Mixologist. If you like what you see, comment down below, give me the thumbs up. Let me know if there's any drink out there you want me to create for you. And thank you for watching, guys. See you guys in the next one. Peace.